Welcome back to this tutorial series on working with the True32 Project Tracker Airtable template. In this video tutorial, we'll take a closer look at the new payment schedule view in the Project Tracker Airtable base. This is an awesome app, but it takes some practice to master it, so I recommend you schedule some one-on-one time to learn the basics. Then we can move to the more advanced topics. Several sessions is better than a baptism by fire multi-hour marathon session. You can schedule one-on-one sessions at www.bobobuckley.com. Remember, you're making a custom app. How cool is that? And you can customize it in any way you want. So our objective here is that we know who owes us money at a glance, so sticking with our single source of truth. So here on our proposal tab, we have a new view. If you click here on the down arrow, you see we have our main view that we're used to seeing here, where we'd actually add proposals. And I've gone ahead for now and left these new fields available here, so you could just do it from here as well, since this is not stretching out requiring you to scroll left to right. But I've created a view that deals specifically with this payment schedule. So it's really simple. You're just coming in here and you're earlier on in the process, you've entered your cabinet quantity and your proposal. Now this is a job that was lost. You see the category here is lost, so we wouldn't have anything filled in here for that particular project. But for these that were won, and that we've got a cabinet quantity and a proposed cost, then we collect money from our customers at different increments. And here we didn't collect a design fee, but then we had our first payment, our second payment, and our third payment down to a zero balance. And you see here these different combinations at different stages of the job. So here we've only collected a design fee, but we haven't gone any further with this particular project. And these have been proposed, but we haven't collected any money. But at a given moment, you can see how much money is owed to you. So the balance here, now this isn't necessarily money that's owed to you, but you might be looking at any one of these and you can just look down to see the totals of these columns. So total in design fee is $2,946, and so on and so on and so on. So you can see that on the books, jobs that have been proposed and are moving forward, you've got $62,911. So you may find this helpful. This is probably going to be one of the shorter videos we've done, but that's what the intent of this new view on the proposal tab is for. That's it for this tutorial on the payment schedule view in the Project Tracker Airtable base. Next, we'll take a look at the just added production calendar. Thanks for watching.